In a small town haunted by a tragic event, a mother searches desperately for her vanished child, delving into chilling mysteries that unfold with every passing hour. As the investigation widens, whispers of a malevolent spirit linked to the house emerge, leading to frantic fears that the child's fate may be intertwined with dark forces lurking nearby. With each revelation, the mother's resolve strengthens, yet she feels a growing sense of dread, realizing that unearthing the truth could come at a terrifying price. Driven by love and desperation, she steps into the unknown, facing terrifying visions that blur the lines between reality and nightmares as she seeks to rescue her lost child. In a final showdown of courage and heartache, she must confront the truth of what happened, battling both the darkness that claims her child and the shadows of her own fears. As the night fades into dawn, the mother clutches her child tightly, knowing that their bond has triumphed over darkness, leaving behind a tale of mystery and resilience.